Remember couldn't get a 20 from my mom. Now I drop 20 on the lap cause I'm on. I feel the love when I'm riding through the city, but I see him looking at me, pray the bullets don't hit me from the side.
Hey guys, so as you can see, these are old set of box braids I have. They're slipping way too much, and it's time to take them out. So the plan is to just take it out and do a deep conditioning mask. So you're gonna need 1 banana, tea tree oil, Jamaican castor oil, apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, and some honey. So we're gonna peel the banana first. Make sure you don't put any of the little stray bits in there. Break it apart and just mash it up. So you should end up with something that looks like this consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and add the coconut oil. You could have this melted already, but I found that it melted in there anyway. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the tea tree oil and add a couple of drops in there. You could use lavender or any other essential oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add the black castor oil as well. Also go ahead and add the honey at this time. About 1 or 2 teaspoons should be enough. You can go ahead and add the apple cider vinegar now. You can put in as much as you like. I'm using the cap to measure out a couple drops. So this consistency was a little bit too lumpy. I would recommend using a blender to make sure that it's very smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and saturate my hair with a spray bottle. It's just straight water to make sure that my mask sets very well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair into 4 parts. Make sure you go ahead and detangle your hair and add a little bit more water if you need to. You can go ahead and put the mixture directly on your hair or rub it on your hands and then apply. Either way, it's up to you.
No, I keep on roll for my dead homies. Okay, now I'm tired, stop on rapid fire. Popo wanna break out down rapid fire. Open for a better rapid fire. Bria, babamba. Okay, now I'm tired, stop on rapid fire. Popo wanna break out down rapid fire. Open for a better rapid fire. Bria, babamba. Okay, now feeling that like it's a lie. Hit her with another line. Freaky, but I socialize like this. So but I feed her wine, she missed that.
So after you've put all the product throughout your hair, go ahead and put your hair in a bun. I don't know why I'm slicking down my edges like I'm going somewhere, but I'm not going anywhere. And the chunks are a bit annoying, so try to rub them in. This is why I mentioned to use the blender so that it's much smoother. I know this is completely ghetto, but all I had was this bag to steam my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it around. I'm not going under a hair dryer or anything, but I'm just using my blow dryer to apply a little bit of heat. I'm gonna do this for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it. So my hair has been steaming for about 10 minutes now, and as you can see, the banana chunks are still in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it off now.
Get a 20 from my mom. Now I drop 20 on the lap cause I'm on. I feel the love when I'm riding through the city, but I see him looking at me, pray the bullets don't hit me from the side. Yeah, but legends never die, you know. Yeah, good weed in my lungs, you know where I'm at. Straight from the slums, and I can't go back. No, I won't go back. No, I keep on roll for my dead homies. Okay, now I'm tired, stop on rapid fire.
So as you can see, my hair is still transitioning. I'm just waiting for my hair to get to a certain length before I cut off all the dead ends. But it's masks like these that help. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.